Afternoon. Welcome back to the altcoin season show. This is Cameron at Traders Network Club, and today we got some big updates on a bearish, bullish market now. So we got some big updates on cryptos, and we're gonna get right to it after this break, guys. So I'll see you after this. All right, welcome back. So last week we did talk about some top meme coins, and there was a lot of stuff that happened over this last week. We are in a nice bullish market, so a lot of coins that were in green this week. So we're gonna jump into them, talk about a couple of these coins and a few extra coins. And we also got FxBigDog here with us too, and he's just gonna jump in the charts and analyze the charts of the coins that we talk about. So first thing is first, you can show your face there. What's going on?
What's up,
So
Cameron? What's going on, buddy? Hey,
doing
what
good,
happened to
doing
your
good. We
green screen
haven't.
in the back there?
Yeah. Sorry about the green screen, guys. It looks like Restream is having some problems with the green screen, so I couldn't get that uh fixed. But no worries. We're gonna keep working and moving on. So nice to have you back. We haven't had you back on the crypto show in a while, so good to
Well, I
be back.
appreciate it. I appreciate it. And yes, you did speak about a lot of meme coins last week that I actually wanted to have some conversation around. Also, take a look at the charts because since then, we've actually had some good pumps in. I think 5 of the coins that you spoke about last week, we had some good movement inside a lot of these coins. Now, the one thing that I want you to still speak about, Cameron, is about what's going to happen here in the Super Bowl. So we'll have the conversation at the end of the session about what's happening in the Super Bowl and what is the crypto that you might want to go ahead and put some money in before the weekend. All right, we're going to talk about that in a minute, but that'll be at the end of the end of the show. So, Cameron, let's go
Yes.
ahead and have conversation because yes, you did talk about a couple of coins last week. Let's go into a couple of conversations about those coins. So, which one do you want to go ahead and chat about right now first?
Yeah. So let's first start. Let's start with the meme coin Floki Inu.
Okay.
So we did talk about this last week, and this coin has taken a nice pump over the week. But now, if you do look at the trading view chart, which I can show real quick,
There we go. Got it up right here.
yes, it looks like their last update was the 24th of January. So they haven't updated their chart, and I haven't looked into see why there's no update on the chart on TradingView. But if you did look at Coinbase and looked at the charts on there, you can see that we have taken some green over the last week. I'm pretty sure we went up like 20 to 30%. So
Yeah, we
Floki
did.
has taken a nice little pump. And the reason why is I want to talk about that is Floki's trending right now, and I'll show you why. As you can see on Twitter right here, huge announcements came out, and just like we were talking about Floki about the Valhalla, their metaverse space, and their NFT that they're coming out with, their NFT marketplace, they have just kind of started tweeting and started announcing about their NFT metaverse game called Valhalla that it's coming soon. So you can see it. Floki was just trending, the most top purchase token by the top 1,000 biggest whales. So there was a lot of trending this last week after we talked about their whole Valhalla set to release soon, and for sure we talked about Doge and Shiba. And what really stands out about Floki is true is the utility is very, very, very good compared to Doge and Shiba. Is what really makes it a lot more superior, and that's why I'm very, very big on Floki. It's such a small cap coin that has so much room to just pump and give you those big gains that you want in a meme coin. And I just love the marketing and the utility behind it. And with the metaverse coming out, Valhalla and the NFT marketplace is so huge. As you can see, they just tweeted this like 2 days ago, yesterday, and it was just trending all over Twitter and social media. So it looks like there's going to be some big things coming out. Valhalla is going to be releasing soon, and that's when I think Floki is going to take a huge, huge pump when this Valhalla is released, this NFT game, because the play to earn is just killing the crypto market.
Yeah, I think so too, Cameron. And you're actually absolutely right. If you actually go back to my chart right here, you'll take a look over here and see that we had actually a 46% upside move since you spoke last week. So although the trading view charts are not being updated, we can see the price is trading at around about let's call it 5100, and right now it's showing at 3600 right here. So there has been a 46% in growth in the actual price in Floki. So that was a good call. Well done, great call on that. And for those that are following this, you might want to check it out. Check out these videos that Cameron's posting. Get connected, because a lot of the stuff that he's talking about is giving us some short-term opportunities. We're talking about opportunities with inside a week to gain anything between 20 to 50% return, or these 50% return on your initial investment. So if you want to take a look at Floki still has, and Cameron, I think we're both in agreement on that. Floki still has some big side upside potential, right? And I mean, look at this. We
Oh yeah.
still have not reached the highs that it got to when we had that big major pump, and we could still see this get up to this point right here as well, right? We can get back up to that level, which is around about 40,000 590. So 40,590. If we do get to that level, if you're looking for a trade, and by the way, we're at 51 at the moment now, 5100. So we could look at, let's see here. If price pumps up to that high again, we're looking at a 681% increase in value of the actual price and face value. 681% in face value. That's going to be, of course, price increasing. Now, if you're wondering, could it happen? Is it possible? And the answer to that is absolutely. We've seen this happen more often than not. We've seen these meme coins actually give these big pumps that traders make a lot of money. In fact, there's been millionaires made from Shiba Inu. There's been millionaires made from Deutsche. You cannot believe the amount of money they've been generated by these meme coins. And so this is good, Cameron. Oh, this is good. I like this coin, and I do see the upside potential. And that means that traders can get into this and just invest a little bit of money, all right, and hold, all right, buy and hold. Don't look to buy the dips, but just buy and hold right now, and allow it to go ahead and pump back up to the previous highs. So that is a great opportunity. All
Okay.
right, let's take a
Yeah,
look at
could you
another one, Cam.
Yes, yes. So like I said, these type of meme coins, yeah, you do want to just buy and hold. So there's no really a lot of analyzing you can do. You just buy and hold, and you wait for this pump. And with this Valhalla coming out, there's going to be a huge pump in the first quarter this year. They're looking at targeting summer. By summertime, should be released their meta space, and I think that would take a huge pump for that coin. Next coin is Shiba, another meme coin we talked about last week. And I also saw some greens this week from Shiba. So, and we talked about their big announcement coming out with their Shibaverse coming into the metaverse space and their NFT collection. So Shiba is starting to take a new step into the metaverse, which is huge announcements. I also believe I was just watching before we got into the session that Elon Musk had a live interview with some Shiba members about like a collaboration. So I believe they could have just finished that video. It was live right before I came in here. So there's a huge big event that's going to take place. Would like to get an update on that. Maybe Thursday we can talk about that. But there's a huge announcement with Elon Musk and Shiba. So we would like to take a look at that. Um, right now, I believe there's probably still in the live video. So there's a big announcement with that and the Shibaverse. So I don't know. We talked about the Super Bowl coming up. We don't know what they're going to throw in that Super Bowl commercial. They're already nicknaming the Super Bowl Crypto Super Bowl. But I wouldn't be
Woo!
surprised if we do see maybe a Shiba or a Doge ad, thrown in the Super Bowl commercials, and that could drive the coin a lot. So we don't know. I don't know what ads they're going to be thrown out there, but there are going to be a lot of crypto ads thrown into the Super Bowl, and that's definitely going to take a nice drive to the coin.
All right. Well, let's just take a quick look at the actual chart right here, and let's go take a look and see what it looks like here, Cameron, because this is really interesting. So Shiba, you're right. Shiba did take a nice little rally, and if you spoke about that last week, which you did, and traders took advantage of that, there was a good little pump right here. We had a great pump. So again, Cameron, well done, dude. This is freaking awesome because these are, I mean, look at this pump from this level right here. This is like, we're talking about the 5th of February. So that was last week. In fact, it was when we had this session. I believe it was on a Tuesday or Wednesday, but that's the 3rd of about the 3rd of February. So from that price, we pumped up 70%. Now, I just spoke about the opportunities that traders can go ahead and jump into some trade opportunities and make anywhere between 25 to 50%. This one within a week gave 70% increase in value. We had a 70% increase in value from the discussions you had last week. So again, pay attention, traders. There's a lot of money to be made still with cryptos, especially at the levels that it's at. Cameron spoke about how cheap these cryptos are. You got to pay attention to do this stuff. Now, if you take a look over here, a lot of traders like go, ooh, the coin is dipping, it's selling off. Well, yes, because remember, we have rally and then we have correction. We have rally and then we have correction all the time. The market's going to wave no matter what. Doesn't matter if you're trading crypto, stocks, options, Forex. Markets are going to rally and correct. So here we have. So if you look over here, we had a nice break of this trend line. We had the first wave going up here. Now this is going to be the support level. The support level is going to come back right here. That's where we're going to see the market just supporting this coin. But then the next level is going to take us off to the third wave. So we're going to have a nice little pump right here where we can see price going all the way up here. This is where we're expecting Shiba to go back to. And I'm going to go ahead and mark it off here. So this is just a short-term move right here. So at least let's get back up to this high right here. There it is there. All right, let me redo that again. I'm doing a crappy job here. So don't fire my ass, Cameron. Don't fire my ass. All right, here we go. So here we go. There is that level there. So I'm going to pull it up a little higher so you can see. So that's the high. Here is where we're expecting price to move. I'm going to go ahead and mark off my waves right here. This is what it looks like right there. Wave 1, 2. This is 3. Looking for a pullback, and then 4, 5 over here. So this is where we're expecting. So we're expecting Shiba to go to at least about 4,000. And remember, traders, it was trading at this level right here on the 3rd at 2,000. So we are going to at least double, 100% increase in value. And so if you're not in on Shiba, there is still an opportunity right here with Shiba. Shiba, there we go. And it's going to go from there. So Shiba, sorry, did I say Shibu? I mean Shiba.
Shiba.
I know. Why am I saying Shibu? I don't know. Where did I get Shibu
Shiba
from?
Inu.
Yeah, Shiba Inu. That's right. That's probably what it is. So we got Shiba here, right here that's going to increase, and we're looking at another 35. So on the dips, if you're buying on the dips, there's still a 35%. Remember, we said 25 to 50%. Right now, on this correction right here, you're looking at about a 35% growth in value. So we're looking at a good move on this as well on the dips. So again, if something happens over the weekend, you might want to pay attention to this. Now, that's not the only one that we think that's going to move on the weekend, right, Cameron? Let's get to that one as well. What do you think is going to move on the weekend? And that we think that a lot of people go into, we're going to get a lot of advertisement, a lot of promotion taking place on the weekend. We believe it. This is all speculation. We believe that it's going to be, you go ahead and name it, Cameron, what it's going to be.
With the Super Bowl commercials coming on, I believe, I believe no doubt that they will throw some crypto.com ads in there. We've seen the crypto.com ads really starting to blow off. They're really, I probably think they're probably doing the best marketing out of any coin. How many times have you guys seen the ad with Matt Damon, right? Matt Damon and crypto.com? I see that ad play about every commercial every time I'm watching TV. So
Sure.
I really believe that they are gonna throw a crypto.com ads in there. Who knows? I don't doubt it. And that definitely is gonna drive the coin a lot. There's so many big influencers in the space that are really marketing this coin. Like I said, you saw the ad with Matt Damon. So I think that coin's gonna. We'll definitely keep an eye on the Super Bowl. If you guys are watching Super Bowl, watch the ads, commercials, and see what they're trying to do with the cryptos. And I wouldn't be a bad idea to go and throw a couple ones that you believe, like Crypto.com. Throw it in this week before the Super Bowl, in case that they do throw some commercials and ads out there that take a nice little pump on that coin, and you can close up some nice profits.
All right. Well, let's just take a quick look, and let's take a quick look here, Cameron. While we are looking for some setups right here, let's take a quick look at the technicals, what it looks like right here. You have crypto.com set up here on TradingView. We have a nice little downward channel, right? The market broke through that channel. We can also see that we wedged up a little bit right here. So we've just broken out of a wedge. Here it is. Nice little wedge, broken out. And again, market rallies, big pumps, we have correction. Market went ahead and corrected in what we call a zigzag pattern. Zigzag pattern looks like something like this. Okay, it goes ahead and pumps, comes back, and here we have a zigzag. Looks like a lightning bolt coming down, right? So this zigzag has now created that retracement. Now we're at this retracement. Now, if you want to be smart about where the large or the long-term target's going to be, then all we got to do is go ahead and put our fib from the bottom right here, right at the bottom right here, and go ahead and stretch it up all the way to the top right here. And now we're going to go ahead and look for this particular crypto to move to this level. And this is just the beginning. Remember, this will be our wave 1 right here. This will be our wave 2 down here. And so this is going to be wave 3. And remember, traders, we're going to have wave 4 and then wave 5 again. So you can see how the market's going to continue to wave higher as we go ahead and see price moving higher. Now, if this is going to be this wave structure right here, then this means that we've broken through this downward channel line, and now we can expect price to come all the way up here to 1.475, right? So we're looking at a huge upside potential on crypto.com. And if we go ahead and measure this out, we're looking at 360% increase. 360%. Now remember, 360% is not just on is not just the whole move. This is just a portion of the move, right? So we get 360%, we're going to have a correction move, and then we're going to have another upside move, another final rally on this coin. So again, I'm not going to talk about the final rally, but let's just talk about what could happen over the weekend. If we're going to get some news coming out of the weekend, or at least some promotions over the Super Bowl, there could be a big pump. There could be a pump that we might not see these prices again, which means something like this, right? We want to look at something like this. If I go ahead and take this and look at these inside swings, let's go do the inside swings right here, all right? So we're looking at these inside swings, and we notice that there's been a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then price rallied off. So this is what we're seeing right here. Notice right here we have the 1.618, so which means that we have now a new swing right here. And so one thing that we know for sure here is that there is a retracement due, which we're seeing right now, before the next pump. All right, or at least I won't say pump, because pump sounds like we're going to get this big, huge move. No, it's going to be a final rally. So we are going to get a nice little pump on this. All right, there I go again. I see pump again. We are going to get a nice rally on this. And the rally is going to take us up to about this level right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that off. I'm going to see price move up to around about that level. And that level is sitting at, where is it at now? We're sitting at around about, what's that? 0.55. So this is 0.55 is the level that we're looking at market to rally to. And that could be over the weekend. This is an over weekend type move. And we're looking at about anything between a 15 to 20 pip move, a 20% move. Now, I want to go ahead and say this. You might look at this and say, well, big dog, that's not a big move. I mean, come on, really? All right, so this is the thing. This is where we anticipate if the market just goes ahead and gradually moves, it's going to get to that 15 to 20% move, right? But if it blows through, if we have really a lot of news come out this weekend, or not necessarily news, but promotion this weekend, and we get a big pump in the crypto market, then this could actually go all the way up here. That could give us a 25 pip move, all right? 25% move, sorry, not pip, but 25% move. Then once that happens, once we get up to that level, then what could happen is price could have a shallow retracement and then another rally. So which means that we could see another final move going back up, which could end up being, this could be anywhere between a 40 to 50% move on this particular coin. Again, a really nice coin to get in early stages and go ahead and make some good profit out of it. If it goes ahead and makes it, it takes it, it creates that rally this weekend. It's going to be interesting, Cameron, to see how this plays out. This is obviously speculation based on what we're anticipating and so on. Let's see if we are right and go ahead and talk about that next week in our old season and see if this is actually what happened over the weekend. If we did get some advertising, I'm going to be glued to the screen, not only because I'm going to be watching to see if the LA Rams can go ahead and win the Super Bowl, because that's where my money's going to be at.
Bengals,
But
let's go.
what?
I'm rooting for the Bengals.
Oh my goodness! All right, are we going to put some money on this game?
No,
Let's
I'm
put.
not putting money. I'm put some money in some squares, but not on the game.
Hold on a second. You just called me out and you told me you're rooting for a different team that I'm rooting for, and
Yeah,
you don't
I'm
want to
rooting
put
for
money
them.
on
I
this
don't know
thing.
if they're gonna win, but I hope they do, man. Joe Burrow, big fan.
Okay, so all right, so I'm a Cooper Cup fan, so this is why I'm rooting for the LA Rams. Not LA Rams. Yeah, LA Rams.
Yeah, LA
So
Rams.
what's that?
Yeah, that's it. LA Rams.
Yeah. I got that right. Hey, I know football. Okay, I know football. All right, so we'll see how that plays out. But more important, Cameron, we're going to be glued to the screen, not because we're watching our teams, but looking at, of course, the breaks, the commercials that they're having, and see what they do with regards to crypto. See if there's any crypto advertising, and then we'll keep a close eye on exactly what the crypto market is doing through that period, and see if we're getting any sort of push in the market. And then, of course, come Monday, Tuesday, it's going to be interesting to see how these coins that we're talking about right now actually play out. All right, so this is awesome, Cameron. Hey, I appreciate the input that you have right here. We're going to go ahead and cut the session today. That's about all we want to go ahead and discuss today. Keep an eye on these altcoin seasons. I know Cameron's doing a trading battle this evening. He's doing a trading battle for 8-cap brokers. They are the sponsor. He's doing a trading battle this evening with another challenger, and so they're going to be talking about different things. You might want to go check it out. Look for trading battle 8-cap brokers. Check it
Yes,
out. Check out Cameron on the.
I
Cameron, you
tweet.
know what we can do? We can actually go ahead and. We can go ahead and actually broadcast that session on this session right here. So I think we might go ahead and do that. Take that clip and go ahead and run it again here on our YouTube channel, because I think it might be worth going ahead and showing everyone what's going on. So we'll definitely do that, no doubt about that. Yeah, we'll definitely do that. So other than that, I think that's about it, Cam. Anything
Yeah,
else you want to
that's
add?
it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and check out the description below. Like we said, we have some trade signals, some tools for our students that they use. So if you're interested, go check out FxBigDog on the same channel where he does a Pip Grabber show on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So if you're interested to know more, check those videos out. FxBigDog does a really good job at diving in on the Pip Grabber tool and the trade copy and the Forex currencies too. So yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for my NFT, right? NFT tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and I'll see you guys then. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you, Cam.
All right, thank you, FX.